What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today we're gonna take a trip, baby. We're going to Greece. We got Greek food. That's right, we're doing gyro. We got the roller R's. Gyro. Crispification with the juicification. Gyro, not gyro. Gyro. Roller R's. This is another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. Number 50. Let's go, baby. What's up, gang? Check this out. We got about 2.5, 3 pounds of skinned, deboned chicken thigh. The juicification meat, the dark meat. We got to get a marinade on it. Get them in the bowl. All this yicken been skinned and deboned. Into the bowl, we want to start a marinade. You know we're going to need our Greek yogurt today because we're in Greece. So we're going to do about 3 heaping tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Tablespoon of dried oregano. EVOO. We went all out because we're in Greece, baby. Relax. 2 tablespoons of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. The good stuff. Tablespoon of allspice, tablespoon of coriander, and a tablespoon of cumin. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Gotta kick it up a notch. Tomato-based chicken bouillon. No baseability. Tablespoon of it. One tablespoon of chicken bouillon. 1 small onion. We're gonna grate it right into the mixture. When you grate it, it's gonna give you more of the juice. Juicification. Grated onion going in. 1 lemon. Got to have the juice. Add the juice of 1 lemon in here. About 3 tablespoons. Get in there with your clean hands. Give it a mix. You want to mix all this up well. No baseability today. I almost forgot, guys. I got to keep it a buck with you. We got to go in with some S.P.G. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Tablespoon. Kick it up another notch. Magic dust. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. It's squishy-ushy. It's going to be delicious, though. Saran wrap over the top. We want to get it down in the fridge. You know we're going for about 2 hours. The longer it sit, the better it get, I promise you. Get it in the ice box, let it go, minimum 2 hours. We're not just making the chicken shawarma just for, you know, chicken shawarma. You can take the chicken and do what you want with it after you got it made. We're making gyros. You might know it as a gyro. I don't think my friends from Greece might like it too much. Gyro. We got to make a tomato salad. None too complicated. Tomato salad. Beefsteak tomatoes, a nice tomato. Dice it. Simple as that. Chopped tomatoes, snacking tomatoes, halving these down the middle. Cherry tomatoes, half. Cherry tomatoes in the bowl, beefsteak tomatoes down. 1 cucumber here. Peel it down real quick. Split it right down the middle. This is optional. You don't have to, but I'm gonna de-seed this one. Cucumbers de-seeded. We just want to dice them, so we're gonna come down the middle. Diced cucumbers in the bowl with the tomatoes, baby. 1 red Spanish onion. Take half of this onion, dice up. Across the belly, finely dice. Spanish onion dice. We're going into the bowl. Now, into the bowl, we're gonna get we got some parsley here. Parsley into the bowl. EVOO. We're gonna get you a good drizzle over there. About a tablespoon or 2. We got a half of a lemon left. We're gonna throw that half of lemon juice right in. Couple teaspoons of lemon juice. Some fine wine. Red wine vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar, whatever you want to use. Tablespoon of the red wine vinegar in. S.P.G. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Give it a toss. Perfecto. Wrap our salad up. Get it in the ice box. Once again, the longer it sits, the better it get. Let it marinate, baby. Before I got it. Got it? Yadi? Gyro. Get in the ice box, baby. We'll be right back. Let's make a tzatziki sauce. 1 cucumber. Peel it and seed it. We're gonna grate these cucumbers right into the bowl. And right down to the end. Don't be greedy. Watch your fingers. That there be for the camera lady because she loves cucumbers. 1 cucumber, tablespoon of salt over these cucumbers. Sweat it out. Pull some of that liquid out these cucumbers. Set it aside for maybe 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, look at this. You can see where the side of that water start to pool up and that salt start to pull all that liquid and moisture out of the cucumber. But that's what you want. Take your cheesecloth, put it over a bowl. Get in there with our beautiful clean hands. Don't tell me my hands ain't beautiful. Squeeze as much as we can. Stick it into the cheesecloth. Close it up and just turn. Put your muscles to work, baby. Get all that liquid out of there. We got it right there. About 18 ounces, 500 grams, Greek yogurt. Gonna use a lot of Greek yogurt today, baby. We still on vacation. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic going in. I got 1 serrano pepper. I know this is not traditional or whatever, but I like spice. So we're gonna kick it up a notch with 1 of these serrano peppers. It's not too spicy, but it's spicy enough just to give you a little kick. 1 serrano pepper going in. Once again, we got this delicious red wine vinegar, freshly grated black pepper, and some salt. And on the salt, you really don't need that much, so just maybe a little sprinkle, half a teaspoon or a teaspoon, because we did salt the cucumbers previously, and it still hold that flavor. This is my kick, my take on this. Mint, scallions, tablespoon of scallions going in the bowl. Give it a mix. Tzatziki sauce to die for. Perfecto. Get it in the fridge. The longer it sits, the better it get, baby. Let's do our chicken shawarma. Chicken shawarma. Chicken shawarma? Maybe, I don't know. Let's go. Marinated chicken. I'm really excited, gang. I'm really excited. Take a look at this. We got our neutral chef, brand new toys, broad and bake. It's got the rotisserie. They not sponsoring me. This is my first time trying their merchandise out. But check this out, neutral chef, get at me. Cause I'm showing you love, all right? All right. So what we making our shawarma in today? Take our chicken and we're gonna stab it. Get it down. Get it down onto the spits. And it's that simple. Turn it down on there, put it on them spits. All right, guys, just like that. And it's gonna keep piling, piling, piling. We're not gonna go too high today, but we're gonna do high enough to where it's gonna hold that chicken up, it's gonna spin, and it's gonna roast. So let me get the rest of this on here, and I'll bring you back and show you where we at. Take a look at this. We got the chicken shawarma. I mean, the marinated chicken. It's finna get ready to go on the rotisserie. I hope this machine stand up to where it say it can do. So basically, look, after you get the bottom on, you got one of these that sit upwards. It's kind of holding the chicken up. And then once you get the top full as you want it, just want to stab this right through here. And it's gonna give you some more leverage, just like that. And then it's got this little lock screw. You don't think it look good now? Just watch this. So look, let's open her up. I'm gonna come in. So at the bottom, it's got a little slot that you drop it in. The top part hangs just like that. So we got it in there. Turn it straight to rotisserie mode. And as you can see, it's spinning. It's gonna cook from the outside in. So we're gonna let this start off. We're gonna let it go for a strong, at least an hour and a half, to where we can see it starting to get the crispification. Stuff start to caramelize and it's gonna become real tender and juicy. Let's let it go for an hour and a half. We're gonna start shaving and make us some gyros. We'll be right back. Just kick back, relax, and watch this. Chicken shawarma. Be careful, this stuff is hot. Look at that. Yes, Lord. It's been roasting and toasting. Now you know that's that black, that's that dark meat. So you know it's got the juicification on the inside. All right, gang, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and shave some of this meat right on the outside. You don't wanna shave too deep because it's still cooking there. I mean, it's haven't reached, we're looking for an internal temperature of 160. So we're just gonna shave the outer side of the meat and put a light sear on it just for a little crispification. But other than that, you shave the outside of it, get it back on the spit, and let the rest of the meat continue to roast, baby. Get that crispification all around it. Let's go. It's still juicy and tender and moist on the inside. We'll put the rest back in, let it continue to roast. Get on back in there. Look at what we got here. Get it down on the board. Juicification, it's got the crispification on some. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just put a rough chop on it. Chop it down to bite-sized pieces. We kind of got to the deep part to where it was more medium, but we want well done on our bird. So we're gonna get about a teaspoon of EVOO down. Get that chicken just a slight stir. Ensure everything is well done. It's time to plate it up. Let's plate it up, baby. Look, got a nice, hot, warm, flatbread pita right here. This is how I like to build mine. Come with a little Tzatziki. Still hot. Chicken shawarma, it's got the crispification, juicification. And all that is still rocking in there. You know it wouldn't be right without the mater salad. Cold mater salad that's been marinated. Feta on there. Little feta cheese crumbles. You close that in, you wrap that up. We'll come with a little bit more of that tzatziki just to ensure that the bite got maximum flavor. Look at that. We in Greece right now. You know what time it is, gang. We gotta try it out. Give it a little squishy. Come here. Wow. My mind is blown. Who would have thought the gang gonna put something like this on the board? Gyro. No. No. Creamification, crispification, flavorification, the juicification. This lacks none of that. You got to make these, JPC gang. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause we always jamming and cooking, baby. Until next time, peace and love.